Imagine spotting a perfect technical setup on a minor currency pair, like the British pound against the New Zealand dollar. You execute the trade, but the moment you hit buy, the spread violently widens, swallowing your profit zone before the market even moves. This initial drawdown is the direct result of low liquidity. In these thin markets, the distance between the buy and sell price is massive. You start every trade significantly in the red, paying a premium just to access the market, a cost that often wipes out your risk-to-reward ratio. The largest institutional desks avoid these frictions by anchoring 80% of their trading volume into just 5 major currency pairs. Professional traders treat pair selection as a primary risk management decision. By sticking to these high-volume pools, they ensure their strategy performs against the price action itself, rather than fighting the overhead of the platform. In professional trading, liquidity is the oil in the engine. When you trade the Euro-US dollar or the US dollar-Japanese yen, you are stepping into the deepest pools of capital on the planet. Millions of institutional orders flow through these markets, compressing the spread to less than 1 pip. This depth prevents erratic slippage. If you place a stop loss at 1.0820, the massive density of buyers ensures you're filled exactly, even during fast market moves. While all 5 major pairs are highly liquid, their behavioral patterns require different tactical approaches. The Australian dollar-US dollar typically exhibits steady, rhythmic trends. Contrast that with the British pound-US dollar, the cable, which is characterized by aggressive, high-speed swings and sudden volatility. This creates a significant mathematical difference. Because the pound moves twice as far on an average day, risking 1% of your account with a 20-pip stop-loss leaves you with half the breathing room you'd have on the Aussie. Choosing between these pairs is about matching market velocity to your own reaction time. High volatility pairs like the pound offer less time to adjust, while the slower pace of the Aussie is better suited for traders who prefer a more calculated, trend-following approach. The US dollar against the Canadian dollar provides a direct bridge between technical price charts and global commodity data. Canada is a major oil exporter, meaning its currency is tied to energy prices. When oil prices rise, the Canadian dollar strengthens. Because it's the quote currency, a bullish move in oil typically causes the USD CAD chart to drop. However, using these majors requires an understanding of how they move together, specifically the relationship between the Euro-US dollar and the US dollar-Swiss franc. These pairs act as mathematical inverses. When one rises, the other falls. If you go long on the euro and short on the franc simultaneously, you aren't diversifying risk. You've bubbled your bet on the US dollar. A sudden spike triggers both stop losses instantly. Recognizing these correlations prevents you from accidentally over-leveraging your account while under the impression that you are trading 2 different setups. The major 5 are a tactical rotation. On any given day, you aren't looking at all 5, you are hunting for the one pair where the chart and the news finally agree. You choose your pair based on the live catalyst. When crude oil is the day's story, the Canadian dollar earns your attention. When the US dollar itself is the driver, you pick one side of the euro-franc mirror, but never both. This strategy relies on timing, specifically the 1300 GMT power hour. This window marks the overlap between the London and New York sessions. This is when the most volume enters the market, providing the institutional fuel necessary for breakouts to actually hold ground. Trading even the best pairs outside of their primary sessions often leads to false breakouts. Without the backing of the big banks in London or New York, a move lacks the momentum to continue, leading to the reversals that hit your stop. Institutional precision is a result of pairing these deep liquidity pools with their peak volume windows, removing the variables of erratic spreads and low volume slippage. To trade the major 5 with professional-grade infrastructure, open an account on FXNX Pro for 0.0 pip raw spreads and MISA-regulated security. Download our volatility cheat sheet at the link below to sync your next trade with the New York overlap.